So from the pH here, we're going to go just to phosphorus. Now, you are starting to see our average yields, which I will bring another slide up here of the average Iowa corn yields. I'm going to use corn yields as an example on phosphorus. You are starting to see a downward trend of where we started in 2000. We are starting to see a little downward trend, and a lot of that is maybe we're not fertilizing like we were 20 years ago. You can see where our yield removals are getting much more. So you can kind of see there is a downward trend. So the base behind this is what we're seeing is that make sure we utilize our corn yields and our soil test levels in creating the most optimum recommendation we can on phosphorus. So you can see here we are starting to see a trend coming downwards, and that to me we need to be a little more aggressive on what we're doing as a whole. Like I said, this is a trend. This is a trend over everybody we sample with and the yield data we accumulate. But we do want to probably be a little more aggressive on our phosphorus a little bit, where we're seeing a little decline, especially here in the last decade. When the price of corn maybe got a little better there in 2012, you can see that it did raise a little bit. But there was a dip here about from 2007, 2008. We did see a dip in phosphorus because there were some pretty high yields there in 2008 to about 2011. Then we started bringing, our soil tests were up, but now we're kind of seeing that dip down again. That can be related to crop removals and also grain price. So just a little tidbit about phosphorus.